Hola amigos! In our last video, we finally crossed into Baja, Mexico and ended up at a beautiful spot on the Pacific Ocean. Today, we continue on in search of calmer waters, attempt a DIY clam bake, and end up at a beautiful mission where we run into a little bit of trouble. We've come down to this kind of like nature preserve-y estuary, and you can tell that the tide definitely comes up here. So we're going to try to get up a little bit higher and camp here so that we can kayak and paddleboard. Tom's going to make the first attempt in one of the two spots. They're not really spots, we're making them spots. And zero problem. Boom. You don't need to be level. Tom really wants, or Greg really wants to back up. I kind of feel like he should drive up, but
I'm so not level. I'm gonna have to make some changes here.
all right, we're gonna try our spot. Use the word spot very loosely. Well, we might even be close to level.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look and see if we're level, but that worked out way better than I thought.
We're not level.
But I mean, how close we are, but that worked out way better than I thought.
Okay. I'm good. I'm getting more and more impressed with what we can do with this drag going.
Yeah.
This side.
All right, we're gonna try to level out more. Worst case, we don't level out, then we don't put the slide out.
Yeah.
I mean, we could live.
Let's commentate this action.
Yeah.
Greg's
let's do
now
it.
entering the truck. He will soon be starting it. At least that's what I think.
I think you're right.
There he goes. I think the one on the right's gonna push, and the one on the left is gonna sink. What's your prediction?
Yeah, I think the orange one are gonna push, and the yellow one's gonna sink.
I think the orange ones are aggressively stacked a little bit
I agree. I think he should have spread the load out a little bit there.
for the situation at hand. And here we go. Moving
3, 2,
forward.
1. Oh, we were wrong.
What do you think is gonna happen with mine?
Well, I mean, I think you'll level out. The question is, will you get out?
If we say yes, we probably won't because we've been wrong on everything.
This is true.
So let's say there's no way we'll get out.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get out. I think you'll have to get yanked by us.
Yeah, there's no way. Oh well, it's worth it.
Yeah, I'll go check our levelness. Oh yeah, 1 to 2, and oh, we're like perfect, close enough. On our side to side and front to back, that is good enough. Woohoo! All right, let's return to Tom's rig, where I think there's going to be a shovel involved and some digging.
If you want, I also have some square piece of wood that we put under the jacket.
Oh, we do have, yeah.
Put it under your tires. Let's try turning around first, like you said. And I want to put my front tires about right here. That way my door can get out, I hope. Or right here. Will you do that? Yeah. I'm gonna turn around. Good idea.
Okay.
Greg. This bush is angry. Very, very mean. I didn't even run it over it. So now we think, oh, it's so easy. So now the overconfidence sets in.
Now what?
We're going to dig holes for the back.
Stop. All right, we'll know when we leave here in a day or two if this was a good idea. Once we were all settled, we headed out to do some kayaking and paddleboarding. The next day, we took advantage of low tide and went on a little adventure.
Alright, so today we're gonna make some sandcastle. Now, we're gonna try to get some clam and try to clean them and cook them and see how that goes. Yeah, I think we need to figure out how to find clam.
Maybe we should have watched more videos on how to find them and less videos on how to cook them before we found them.
Yeah, this is not working out.
Alright, so I'm going back to look online how to find clams because we watched a bunch of videos on how to cook them but not how to find them. There's no cell phone signal here if you're just trying with your cell phone, but if I go back to the camper, just there, we can get enough signal to get online thanks to our external antenna. So I'm going to run back there. All right. Amazing. Absolutely no cell phone signal with just my phone, but that antenna, woo. All right, let's see. How to dig for soft shell clams without fancy tools. That sounds good. I'm headed back to tell them what I learned, which is basically that it looks like we're digging in the right spot and just not finding any. What was it?
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Oh.
It was jumping. What is it?
Oh, it's a little mud skipper.
What is a mud skipper?
These are the guys that remember you said they had the spines? Yeah. You have one? No. So cool.
He was hopping all around a minute ago. I think he's done.
Can we put it in the water? Yeah.
Oh, there he went.
Oh, he was fine.
He was playing dead.
We can eat those.
Can we eat those? We don't even know what they are.
Yeah.
There we go.
I don't even know if we can eat those.
Why?
I don't know. Those kind of clams.
Are those razor clams?
I don't think so.
I have to look on the internet.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, don't get me. Oh, he's gonna get me. Oh, you can reach around. Yeah, you can do it either way. On the side like that, or from the back. I grabbed him underneath, and he could reach under and grab me. Just a little crab. Damn, eat him. He's too small. But his mommy or his daddy, if they're around, they might be good.
Keep digging.
So those are the right color crab that I know we can eat.
I love crab. How many did we get? That was it. All that for...
That's beautiful.
Yeah. We'll do it again at the next place and the next place. We'll just keep looking. I think it was fun though to look. With our attempted clam bake behind us, we headed the next day towards San Ignacio. We went to visit the mission, which was founded in 1729, and we made a new friend in the town square. he wants to go.
Yeah.
He even likes the way we smell.
Okay, I wish I could take you. I don't. He wants me. I know you're the perfect travel dog, aren't you? You're perfect. Do you like the car? Do you want to try it?